Let's quickly start setting up our Flutter environment. So these are the steps you need to follow to set up your Flutter environment. First, we need to go to the official Flutter documentation, which is flutter.dev. Once we are here, click on Get Started. Here you will choose your preferred platform. Mine is Windows, so I'll be choosing Windows. I'll be going to choose Android. You need to also download Git, Android Studio, and your preferred IDE, either IntelliJ, Visual Studio Code, or Android Studio. I personally prefer using Visual Studio. So once you've downloaded Git, Android Studio, here you can see there is a link for downloading the Flutter SDK. So this will download a zip file, after which you will be getting an exe file. Once you have downloaded all this, you need to be setting up your environment variable. So to set up your environment variable, once you have downloaded Flutter, you need to go to the path where your Flutter has been downloaded. You need to go to the bin file. You just need to copy this path and set up your environment variable, just like we set up our Java environment path. Over here, you can see I've already added my Flutter variable and my Java variable. So you can just add a new variable and you can click on OK. So this will add your path variable. Once you have set your path, go to your command prompt and run the command flutter doctor to verify if Flutter has been downloaded correctly. So this is showing that the current version that I have is 3.27.1. It is showing that I have downloaded Android Studio, VS Code. It is showing that an emulator is connected, but it's currently offline. And so Flutter has found issues in two categories, but Flutter has been downloaded successfully. Once this is done, you need to, we'll be making our first app. But before that, in your preferred IDE, be it Visual Studio Code or IntelliJ or Android Studio, you need to download the extensions Flutter and Dart. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the extensions Flutter and Dart. And once these are downloaded, you need to restart your IDE before creating your first application.